All right, assalamu alaikum everyone. So I'm really actually sitting right now at the Discord, and let's just do it. I'm going to create a new channel for Pepe. I don't know why I haven't done it for like in a long time, but let's actually have one channel where you guys can actually join and talk about Pepe. And this is my own channel, so anyone who's watching is welcome to join. So I'm just going to write in Pepe right there. The channel type is going to be text. All right, so create it. And here's the first Pepe. So what I'm going to do is say everyone, and everyone, if you're not a part of it, you're not going to get the message, but message me on Twitter, and I want each and every single one of you to join there. So welcome to Pepe. All right, so here we go, and welcome to Pepe, and that's it. All right, so what you have to do is on the link you have my Twitter account, so it's Adam Coins _ and if you think I've helped you enough, message me, because this is a group for you guys to come and talk. And actually Discord is a little bit lonely, so we need you. Anyone who is watching right now, do message me. I'm going to give you a personal invitation link, and yeah, that's the only way to join. You have to really message me, because there are scammers who would join as well. So message me, I can give you the link, and come in there, do chat, whatever, share images, share ideas, and whatever you want to do. So back into the recent chart patterns we're having right now. I've talked about Pepe yesterday in detail, that maybe there is a time now where Pepe can have a rest. But the thing is that Bitcoin is in a consolidation mode right now. So consolidation means that if Bitcoin has pumped like this, it's not going to straight drop down, right? You pump up and you consolidate, take some stop losses, and do something like this. This is known as a distribution. So distribution takes time, just the same way as this was accumulation down there. So you're moving sideways. This is more like consolidation as well. Anything that is sideways is just known as consolidation. And right now, Pepe is on a sideways movement right now. We could still see move up, come down, move up, come down, move up again, take this stop, and still come down like this. So Bitcoin, as long as it's sideways, right, and the Bitcoin even takes 20 days for sideways movement, it can take 30 days. Now, when Bitcoin is on a sideways movement, what happens is you may have Bitcoin, how can I tell you this? All right, so let's say you have, I'm just going to go absolutely blank here, and now you have the prices consolidating within a box here. So this is your box, right? So when Bitcoin moves up, you have a group or a bunch of altcoins that really start to pump as well. Part of them may be Chainlink, Solana, we may see Cardano moving up, and some coins don't really move up. Like Bitcoin has literally pumped, but we haven't seen SHIB pumping at the moment. And when Bitcoin consolidates, now this is like 37K, and then you come down to 35K. Some bunch of altcoins start to drop. Now, while Bitcoin was really pumping, Pepe doesn't do anything. And when Bitcoin starts to drop, Pepe may start to drop as well. Some altcoins may not really drop. And then when you see Bitcoin pumping again, you may see Pepe still moving sideways. And when Bitcoin tries to drop, Pepe starts to drop again, because there is an influence of Bitcoin on different altcoins as well. But as far as yesterday goes, in yesterday's video, what I said is, the prices are making higher highs right there, and the RSI is making lower highs, which results into a bearish divergence. And especially you have a bearish divergence next to that resistance as well, right? But one thing is, the only thing that is good is on the 4-hour time frame, the bull cross is still intact. You really haven't lost the bull cross. And as far as I told you 2 days ago, if I bring this blue line, you still have some time extending until 16th, 17th of November. So 3, 4, 5 days more. And then we're going to get to know if you're going to hold like this and pop up or pop down and get rejected completely. So yeah, decision is coming. I cannot really say that, we're going to drop either. But the thing is, you are being rejected at the resistance right now. And that's it for this quick update on Pepe. Help me reach 100K subs, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.